Hello, crafty friends. It is looking like Christmas in July at my Hobby Lobby. I was so surprised the other day. I came in to pick up a few things and see what they had on sale. And I don't know why, but every year I'm so surprised when they start putting out the Christmas stuff. But it gets me so excited, and I'm really considering decorating in July my house for Christmas already. But anyway, I just wanted to show a few things that they have at my Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure if your Hobby Lobby has Christmas out yet, but if you haven't been there recently, you may want to go soon if you're as crazy about Christmas as I am. But here are a few things that I saw. They have the whole ribbon aisle pretty much full. I did pick up a couple of things, some peppermint pipe cleaners and some Christmas pipe cleaners. I did get some wood items that I'll be using hopefully to make some items for my craft fair. One was 50% off and the others were 40 off, and so that was a good deal. And just a few little odds and ends you'll see here at the end. I did want to let you know that I've already got some projects uploaded for my Christmas in July series. I hope you'll come back and join me for those. It's really exciting. I've got some cute ideas that I hope you'll enjoy. And I am just loving being able to create Christmas crafts already. So that's all I have for you. Oh, I did find this cute little wooden mailbox. I thought that would be a cute little letters to Santa type thing. I don't know yet. I have some ideas for that. But there are my wooden items I got. And like I said, I didn't pick up very much, but I did have to double this video so that YouTube wouldn't automatically turn it into a short. So this is just going to be a video on repeat. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and let you guys know to be watching for my Christmas in July series. And I hope you have a wonderful day.